What if launching your satellite was as easy as booking a cab?
That's exactly what we're trying to do at Skyroot with our on-demand rocket launches. At Skyroot Aerospace, we're opening space for all.
Whether it is for startups, nations or research missions, you name it and we launch it.
With carbon composites, 3D printed engines and rapid manufacturing, Skyroot Aerospace is making spaceflight efficient and affordable, where our rockets can be launch ready within days.
3, 2, 1, liftoff.
In 2022, we made history with India's first private rocket launch.
And now in 2025, Vikram 1 is set to take its first flight. Opening space for faster internet, smarter agriculture, safer weather predictions and beyond.
For making space accessible to all, Skyroot Aerospace is the proud winner of Marico Innovation Foundation's Indian Innovation Icons 2025.